In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get client ID in Stripe. If you are building an app that connects to your users' Stripe accounts, you'll need your Stripe Connect OAuth client ID. This is the public identifier your app presents when starting an OAuth flow. And the live value is what you'll use in production. It's different from API keys and secrets. And while it isn't a secret, you should still keep it with your configuration and avoid sharing it unnecessarily. Start by logging in to your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you are in the correct Stripe account if you manage multiple businesses. And glance at the test mode toggle so you know whether you are looking at live or test settings. For this walkthrough, we're heading to the place where the live client ID is displayed. Next, look to the upper right corner of the dashboard and click the gear icon to open settings. This brings you to a centralized page for all account and product configurations. On the left or middle, you'll see sections grouped by product capabilities. Under the Product Settings section, find and click Connect. This area controls everything related to Stripe Connect, including onboarding and OAuth. If you don't see Connect listed, your account may not have Connect enabled or your user role may not have permission. In that case, check with your account administrator. Inside Connect Settings, select the Onboarding Options button or tab. This is where you configure how your platform onboards connected accounts and where Stripe organizes the OAuth settings tied to your application. At the top of the Onboarding Options page, navigate to the OAuth tab. This tab focuses specifically on the authorization flow details, such as redirect URLs and application information. Here, Stripe displays your live client ID. It typically begins with the prefix K, which helps you recognize it at a glance. Click to copy it and paste it into your app's configuration or environment variables where your integration expects the client ID. A quick note on environments: the live client ID is for production traffic. If you are developing or testing, use the corresponding test value in the same area of the dashboard, so you don't mix environments. Also, never paste any secret keys in public places. Those are different from the client 499 and must remain private. That's it. You've located your live client ID in Stripe via Settings, Connect, Onboarding Options, and the OAuth tab. Thanks for watching.